Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm doing an unboxing video of the solar recharge kit from Rough Country. I've opened up the tape. I've not seen what's inside. Let's check it out. So this works with their fridge and freezer combo that I have. Check that out in a separate video. Looks like we've got some instructions. The cable to plug it in. It feels like it's attached in there. Yes, it is. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's like a stand, I guess. Shove that back in for a minute. Looks like we got a handle. Don't mind my one-handed operation here. Another stand. Sorry about the interruption. Had a call coming in. Let's open this up. Very nice, very nice. Looks like we got some tabs that we could hang it, maybe on the side of our trailer. Ah, very nice, very nice. So, what do we plan on using this for? I'll show you. Oh yeah, our Rough Country rechargeable freezer cooler. Built-in cutting board. Very nice, got a drain down there. A light. We do have it plugged in right now to charge up the battery pack, but we can plug the solar in right here to keep it charged up. We're going to get out on the track today and see how it does. We'll keep you posted along the way. So we currently have it full. We're going to get it rolling. We'll keep you guys again updated along the way, see if it actually holds up. Should be a pretty sunny day today, so we shouldn't have any issues with the solar keeping up. All right, let's see how this baby does. Very nice looking setup. How well is it going to hold up? How long is it going to last? How well does it actually keep it recharged? We don't know, but we're going to find out. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We are a Rough Country dealer. Anything they've got, we carry. Have a great day, everybody.